Beyond the edge of the known world, a secret valley awakens. The true rulers of the frost open their eyes.
They watch the world from a realm of pure freedom.
Balance is an art perfected over millennia.
A flash of fire against a canvas of white.
The giants of the woods enjoy the simple comforts.
Play is just as important as survival.
This is the Sapphire Valley, a haven untouched by time. The silent watchers miss nothing. The meadow provides a brief sanctuary.
Even in the dark, the forest finds a way to shine.
A call that echoes through the ages. Colors painted by nature's finest brush. An ancient journey, driven by instinct.
The smallest residents hold the greatest charm.
As the light fades, the forest keeps its secrets safe.
High above the ground, the canopy holds its own masters of the air.
Contentment is found in the quiet corners of the valley.
The oldest trees provide sanctuary for the smallest souls.
Even the ground sparkles with living jewels.
In the warmth of the sun, even the fierce find rest. Pride is painted in every feather.
The icy waters bring life to the valley.
A gentle blanket covers the world. The architects of the river never rest. A flash of sapphire, striking with precision.
A masterclass in survival.
The giants of the valley rely on the waters below.
Life hovers on the razor's edge.
Some have carried the weight of the river for a century. A life lived between two worlds.
The river is a place of learning and of joy.
The river is a place of learning and of joy.
the heavens.
Even the waters hold the stars.
A kingdom of giants exists beneath our feet.
Beauty masks the perfect predator. Nature's architecture, strung with diamonds.
Fueling a miraculous transformation.
Patience breeds the ultimate reward.
A grand migration, written in their DNA.
True strength is measured in determination.
The night holds beauties the day will never see.
The forest floor becomes a mirror to the galaxy.
Under the silver light, the old kings stand watch.
The shift shifts, and the hunters awake. A shadow moving with a singular purpose.
While some hunt, others find safety in the dark. The world prepares to begin again.
A new day brings new strength.
The cycle remains unbroken.
Tied together by the rhythm of the earth.
Flowing endlessly toward tomorrow. A world perfectly balanced. A masterpiece of time.
The Sapphire Valley, forever wild.